How much do you expect to earn as a BQool affiliate? Are you sick and tired of hearing other affiliate programs making false promises in their get-rich-quick schemes? Guess what? We are too. At BQool, we treat our affiliates as our associates. We provide you with realistic and truthful numbers. Let us check together how much you can really make with a case study. Say hello to Paul. Paul is a BQool user and affiliate for over a year. Paul has passion for selling on Amazon. He is an expert like you. He helps people who also want to become Amazon sellers to improve their sales performance. Paul shares his tips and tricks on his website and on his YouTube channel. Do you suppose Paul has millions of followers? Certainly not. Paul's community has about 3,000 followers, just like the great majority of e-commerce influencers. How much does Paul earn thanks to BQool? Well, among his community on YouTube and his own students, Paul successfully convinces 28 people to subscribe to BQool, which means that Paul gains 20% of each subscription. On average, a subscription at BQool is about $50 per month. As a result, Paul earns $10 per each subscription, or $280 of recurring commissions each month, resulting in $3,360 per year. Pretty good, don't you think? These numbers are easily achievable. Not only that, becoming a BQool Hero affiliate provides you much more than commissions. Get free access to our tools, referral rewards, testimonial video rewards, fast and secure payment, access to your dashboard with analytical tools and marketing assets. You too, be like Paul. Join the BQool family and start earning